Hi loves, thank you for coming back and watching my video. If you're new, hi, hello, my name is Glenn, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So anyways, for today's video, it's gonna be another freaking unboxing, and this is from Journeys. I ordered this from Journeys, but this is the Doc Martens. I received this. It was supposed to be here last week Sunday, but then I think the FedEx, I got an email that's gonna be delayed, so I'm just like, that's fine. So I received it on Monday, and I just opened the box just to confirm if, you know, the shoes are fine. But other than that, I didn't really like took everything out because I want to do like a video. So I got the, like I said, the Doc Martens here, and I was like trying to decide if I want the platform ones or like this just right. I don't know, because I'm not familiar with like Doc Martens. So, and then this is like, of course, my first time owning a Doc Martens. So let me just shut up. All right, so okay, so let me just open it. Okay, right there, and oh my god, I'm so excited. Paper and everything. What's the okay? Oh my god, you guys. Oh my goodness. Isn't she pretty? What? Oh my god. I cannot believe I finally got my pair of Doc Martens. Especially fall is literally right here, and I saw a lot of people, or maybe like influencers, rocking this Doc Martens. Plus my friends have some, like my friend Ashley and Stephanie, and also Amber. She actually just got her as well. It was like when we went to the mall. So yeah, she actually got some Doc Martens. I think she got it at, I think it was Zoomies. Yeah, so anyways, I got it from Journey just because I was in the actual Doc Martens website and they don't have my size, and I don't know which size to get, so I got the size 8. I just went up because just to make it safe. So, and I have an order from their website, and they don't do like half, like 7.5. They don't do that. So I finally get this. I don't know. Let me see the paper. Okay, there's no paper in here. Okay, let me get the other ones. So this is the 1460 smooth color. I mean, not color. The name of it. Yeah, 1460 smooth, W smooth, and I'm in UK 6, US 8, and Euro 39. That's my size. So let me get that. Look at that, you guys. Oh my freaking god. Hold on. Wait a minute. Okay. So like I said, my friend Amber got hers at the mall at Zoomies, and we are the same size. Well, she normally is like smaller, like a half smaller than my feet. So she got the size 8, and I actually tried the size 8 in the store, and surprisingly it fits, and it still has a little bit room, but you know, I have to wear probably like thick socks for this one. So I saw a lot of unboxing. You said you gotta break in this shoes. I'm not really familiar with that, but I'm gonna ask my friends to explain that to me, because they have this type of shoes way before, and this is like my first time having dogs, and I'm not really like familiar with like breaking in that type of, I don't know, this video. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on you guys because I'm excited. So it has their like famous like yellow stitching. Like how cool like how freaking cool. Like I finally got my Doc Martens. Okay, let me just shut up and try to fit this, and I'll give you guys like a close-up on how they look on me. So let me just take this off. I'm filming it on my phone, but you guys, if it's really good, I still have a little space, but I'm wearing just like a really thin socks. And oh my goodness, it is so nice and comfortable. I know I didn't like put all the shoelace up, but holy guacamole. Hello, what? Okay, so I just have to figure it out, and I'll text like my friends I'm like how they're breaking the shoes because they're actually very stiff right now. But yeah, this is how they look on my feet, and I'm glad I got the size 8 because if I got the size 7 it would probably be a little too, how do you call that, tight. But I'm glad I got the size 8 just because I have a little space, and I'm planning on putting, you know, thick socks in here. But overall, we love it. Okay, so the last clip I was, you know, just filming on my phone, but oh my god, oh my god, I cannot wait to take a bunch. I mean, just get ready. I will take a bunch of picture using or like wearing this boots, just because I've been like, you know, wanting this boots, and I finally got it. Like I finally got it, and she's a little bit pricey, I would say. I think but she's like 100 something. Like the price for these boots is like somewhere around $100, $149, $150. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to copy the link or find the link and put it on my description box if you guys are interested. I'm also gonna put the link on like the actual store, like the Doc Martens website. What is this little? Okay, nothing. So anyways, that is it, you guys, and it has this ear, I don't know, but yeah, that's the little yellow details, and it has some words that I cannot read. And this is the bottom look like right there, and I'm just gonna give you guys like a 360 on what they look like up front, and this is the back and the side. So it's so cute. So anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.